from Cleveland's most accurate weather team. This is 19 First Alert Plus, sponsored by the man that makes them pay, Tim Misney.
Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Wednesday edition of the First Alert Forecast with myself and Jason Nicholas. Jason, a predictable day as far as all of you other folks had determined for it, but now we start to turn our attention to tonight, tomorrow. This is something we've been talking about quite a bit in the newsroom as to when we can anticipate this nastiness to kind of pick up.
They're all predictable. We have different levels of confidence in our predictions, and as we get closer to an event, that's when our confidence grows. So let's talk about tonight. Into early tomorrow morning, it's an alert because we're going to have widespread freezing rain here after midnight, and it's going to last for a few hours. Changing to rain mid-morning, travel impacts slick and slow. Take a look right now, we're in the 20s, but you can already see, upper 20s, you can already see we've got some freezing rain down towards Columbus, a little wintry mix, some sleet, some flakes out towards New Philly, but all this is heading our way, so there's nothing really to stop it from moving in, and it will over the next few hours. Wider picture shows what's going on. There you see the sleet and freezing rain. We've got it out here into portions of Indiana, here into central Ohio. So all this is coming our way here as we head through the next few hours. And it's going to be around for a few hours, and then we're going to clear out. So let's take a look at future view. There it is coming in. Let's rewind that a little bit. Boom. By around midnight, it'll be raining, but the rain will freeze. Continues 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., and then by about 6 or 7 o'clock, we warm up and we kick out that moisture. How much ice are we talking about? These numbers are pretty significant. Anywhere between 0.1 to 0.2 inches, so 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of ice. That's not insignificant. Is that enough to bring down power and trees? Probably not. Power lines and trees, probably not. In fact, very good bet that that's not the case. But it certainly is enough to really cause some ice rinks out there on untreated surfaces. Now, I was downtown Cleveland earlier this evening. There was salt all over the roads. Pre-treating is key, and the key is that we don't have rain coming in first. A lot of times with freezing rain events, we get a burst of rain, then cold air comes in and we change it over to freezing rain. In this case, it's the best case scenario because the freezing rain just basically starts fresh, so that rain will fall on the sub-freezing ground and treated surfaces really won't freeze up. So a lot of the main roads will be just fine, but the untreated surfaces, Jeff, won't be good. All right, another system for the weekend and another one in the next week. We'll talk more about that 15 seconds from now on the 7-Day.
I've represented families just like yours for over 4 decades. Listen, if you need me, call me. You know I'll be there for you, and I'll make them pay. In the meantime, I'll keep an eye out for you.
All right, near 40 tomorrow, wintry mix to rain. Again, that morning mix is going to be very brief. A few flakes around early Friday, late day mix on Saturday, rain, snow, could have some ice. And then Sunday, a few flakes early, otherwise we're dry Monday, and then another system Tuesday, Wednesday. Jeff, so something we've been talking about is while we're avoiding the big Arctic air, we're not avoiding these winter storms that blow through. Now this one, again, we're going to get some ice for a few hours, not bad. I don't think we're looking at a ton of snow on Saturday at this point, but again, could have a little bit of ice. And then looks like a little bit better chances at snow mid next week, but it might be just to our south and east. So we're kind of dodging the big winter storm, but ice is no fun.
Yeah, that is dangerous, and very much so why we have.
Overnight tonight, just be cognizant of that.
Yep, exactly why we put these alert days into effect, Jason, to make sure people are aware.
That's right.
Awesome, man. Thank you so much. We'll see you coming up at 19. And that is it for your First Alert Forecast. 19 News, 10 o'clock over on WUAB, 11 o'clock over on WOIO. We will see everybody there.
19 News, now streaming on Samsung Smart TV. Search for channel 1035.